Spell. Bat. Okay, Dwayne. It's okay. It's okay. Nice. What letter is that? B? B-O-T? Wrong. Bigyan mo yung paper. Spell bat. First raise their hand. Okay. Huwag na yung dating paper na. No, dun sa tabi lang. Okay, B-A-T. First prize. Good job. Next. Lagyan mo dyan. Spell. Love. Rain. Si Dwayne ano po? Yan. Pata mo dito. Okay. Correct. Spell hair. Okay.
Ito na?
Yung bagong paper. Okay, good job. Correct. Spell band. Okay, Dwayne. Bigyan mo yung panulat, Dwayne. Go na, sulat. Band. Nice.
Wait lang, loading. Loading down.
Okay, correct. Next. Spell.
I'll try. Lagyan mo dito sa ano.
Spell happy. Ang bilis ate, ang bagal. Dwayne, ang bagal mo mag-raise ang hand ate. Ang bagal nyo. Hindi ako na i-edit. Nice. Okay, correct. Ang mabasulat. Spell table. Okay, ate.
Di ba table?
Nice. Okay, correct. Next, spell carpet. Okay, ate. Ay, so ano, Dwayne? Carpet. Okay, correct. Spell soccer.
Wait, what?
Si ate ang bagal,
Hindi
Dwayne.
ko alam soccer.
Soccer.
Soccer or soccer?
Soccer. The sport, yeah. Sinasabi niyo pa lang sa video. Okay na. Ate turn. Diyan na ulit sa ano paper na yun. Soccer. Soccer. The sport, yeah.
Let ko ano? Okay na sa sa'yo. Wala si Ars. Ay, no.
Ano? 5, 4. Short ma. Wrong. Wayne's turn. Soccer. 5, 4, 3, 2. I see. Okay, correct. Next, spell. Ate, attention kasi. Spell. Sister. Oh, sabihin na naman. Sister, yes, correct. Last is spell family. Okay, ate. Family.
I don't know what's the spelling of it, but I don't try it. No way.
I see. Okay, correct. Good job. Get your prize. Show them your prize. Oh, ano mga nakuha nyo? Who's the winner?
Wait, let it come.
Dito na tignan mo. Pakita nyo dito, oh. Is the Milo yours? Wow. Itong Oreo, kanino to? Hindi, kanina. Kanino? Sino nanalo? Okay. Say bye-bye. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Parang kayo happy, ha?